Hello students, today I am going to discuss about the multiplication of integers, and this is very interesting and hope you have to enjoy. Regarding multiplication of integers, there are three cases. Case first, when you have to multiply two positive integers. Actually positive integer when multiplied by another positive integer, and second case is when positive integer multiplied by negative integer, and third case is when negative integer multiplied by another negative integer. My dear student, three different types of questions has been generally given in the questions. For example, what to do in the case of case first, what you have to do. So suppose that you have given 4 multiplied by 8. 4, you know that 4 is actually plus 4 and 8 is actually plus 8, because you know that positive sign has not been written behind any digits. When you have to multiply, then you know that absolute value of 4 is 4, absolute value of 8 is 8. When you have to multiply, then result is 32. So the first rule is that when both are the positive integers, then their product be the product of the absolute value of both the integers. In second case, when one is positive and second is negative, or first is negative and second is positive, when inverse has been given. Now you have to just check that when 4 is multiplied by minus 8 or minus 4 is multiplied by 8. In both the cases, you have just noticed that in this first integer is positive and second is negative. In second case, first integer is negative and second integer is positive. So when opposite integers has been given, then what to do? You have to actually multiply these two. 4 into 8. You have to take the product of the absolute value of these two digits. 4 into 8 and put negative sign before it, and the final answer is minus 32. Similarly, in this case, you have to multiply both the digits and put a negative sign before it. 4 into 8 and result is minus 32 in this case. In case third, when both are given negative integers, minus 4 is multiplied by minus 8. Actually, you have to find out the product of the absolute value of these two negative integers. And absolute value of minus 4 is actually 4. Absolute value of minus 8 is 8. So you have to take the absolute value of these two integers, 4 into 8, and final answer will be 32. What you have just noticed? You have just noticed the first case and third case. When both integers are having the same sign, their result is positive, and it is the product of the absolute value of the digits that is given. But when both are inverse, means opposite, one is positive and another is negative, in such case, when you have to multiply, then you have to multiply its absolute value. The digit has been given, or number has been given, or integers have been given, and you have to put the negative sign before that. Regarding properties of multiplication of integers, there is list has been written on the board. You can just check that. First one is closure property, second one is commutative property, third is associative property, fourth one is distributive property, fifth one is existence of multiplicative identity, sixth one is existence of multiplicative inverse, and last one is multiplication of an integer by -1. My dear student, you have to read these property one by one. My dear student, regarding closure property of multiplication of integer is that when a and b are any two integers, then if you multiply a into b, then its product must be an integer. Any integer must be an integer. For example, you know that a 2 is an integer, 3 is another integer. If you multiply 2 into 3, then its result is actually 6, and you know that 6 is one of the and you know very well that 6 is another positive integer. So what you have concluded in these properties? Actually, if you multiply any two integers, then its result must be an integer. My dear students, if a and b are any two integers, then according to commutative property that a plus b is equal to b plus a. It doesn't follow any order of the integers. For example, if we consider a is equal to 2 and b is equal to 3, then you have just noticed a plus b is equal to 2 plus 3 is equal to 5, and if you reverse its order, b plus a, 3 plus 2 is also 5. What you have just noticed? You have just noticed that in both the cases, either you have to add a plus b, or you have to write down b plus a. In case of addition, you have just noticed that you have learned in a property of addition that it is just equal. Similarly, in the case of multiplication, if you multiply it, then what you have just noticed, a into b is equal to b into a. In the case of multiplication, it is similar like addition, and now you have to multiply a into b. What you get, 2 into 3 is equal to 6, and b into a, 3 into 2, that is also equal to 6. What you have just noticed in the case of like commutative property that you have learned for the addition, it is also similar in the case for multiplication, that when you multiply a into b, then a result is equal to b into a. Then product of any two integers doesn't depend upon the order of any number. My dear students, for associative property, if a, b and c are any three integers, then a into b whole is multiplied by c, then its result is a into whole is multiplied by b into c. And if you take the example of it, suppose that if a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2, and c is equal to 3, then LHS side you have to just check that. If you put all the values, then its result is actually 6. In a RHS side, if you check, then putting all these values, what you have just noticed, and result is 6. So what you have concluded that now LHS is equal to RHS, and it conclude this property that when A is multiplied by voltage multiplied by C and A into multiplied by B into C, if you change the grouping, then result is unchanged. My dear students, and rest of the properties you have to see in the next part of the video. Thanks.